Everyone, and welcome to Infinity and Beyond. And in this video, I will be sharing you some massive online open courseware and some other websites which you can use to enhance your learning. So the first on the list is Coursera.org. So what you can do is join Coursera for free, but note that not all courses are free, but most of them can be audited for free. Auditing means that you can access the course materials for free, but you cannot give the final examinations, after which you earn certificate, and therefore you won't be able to earn certificate if you are using Coursera, if you are auditing the course. But if you want to, there are some other things. You can enroll into specialization, or you can avail financial aid if you want to earn, and if there is something not well off financially. And the second one on the list is Udacity. What Udacity does, uh, contrary to Coursera, is offers a nano degree program. So what is a nano degree program? It is a combination of mini courses packed into one large course. So if you want to enroll into free courses, so what you might want to do is enroll in those mini courses, and thereby making it a nano degree, though you won't earn a certification for this. But you can assess some financial aid if it is offered. There is some financial aid offered by Udacity, you can avail that. And the next one on the list is CrashCourse. The website for this is thecrashcourse.com. So what was CrashCourse? CrashCourse was founded by Green brothers, John Green and Hank Green. So initially its motto was to provide learning resources for AP courses. In US, you will have to give an AP exam if you want to get enrolled into a college for a specific subject. But now they have eh, but now they are offering some other courses such as machine learning and AI and organic chemistry. And their recent development was they had partnered with ASU, Arizona State University, to offer a study hall thing. And something new about, if you want to avail the crash course dot courses from directly their website, you can head over to their website and go on to their courses, and thereby you can watch courses directly from there. Or if you want to, you can visit their YouTube channel, and from there you can access courses. And what you will, if you will go to website, there are some resources that they will offer. You can download courses directly, but that is not a thing that you might want to do, because the courses are in HD and it might take a lot of data. And the next one is ASU. I got to know about this only through the crash course. I am sure there are other universities that do have their YouTube channel, and they might have uploaded some things on their YouTube channel to uh, make their students learn. So the next is khanacademy.org. It is a non-profit organization. Coursera is a for-profit organization. Udacity is a for-profit organization. Crash Course, I think, is a for-profit, but Khan Academy is a non-profit organization. So if you want to donate, you might consider donation. You might consider to donate to khanacademy.org,
Sal here
because
from
it is a
Khan
non-profit
Academy.
organization.
I am back
So
in the
what you
walk-in
can do
closet.
is either go to their YouTube channel to learn something, and they have made a channel named as Khan Academy India, especially for our Indian curriculum that covers maths and science. I don't know whether there is social science for that is mapped to our Indian syllabus, class 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th. And if you want to go into their website, you can register courses for free, or if you might want to, you might register and then learn on courses, thereby you will earn some points. And the next one is Free Code Camp. Initially it was started by a bunch of programmers. It is a non-profit organization as well. Initially it was started by a bunch of programmers that would want to make programming easy for others, but now they have started some other things. They are teaching pre-calculus and algebra as well, so there is some mathematics stuff. If you want to earn certifications, you can go on to their website, and this certification would be free, although you will have to give approximately of 300 hours, they say, but that's not a thing. If you know some things, you can quickly complete them. I completed a course, it was probably CSS or something, CSS or a website development course. I completed it in probably 5 days. It was saying 300 hours, but I completed it earlier because I knew something. So the next one is NetAcad. There were some courses that I got to know during this lockdown. There are 5 courses that they were offering for free. One was NDG Linux Essential, and other was one was about entrepreneurship, one was about cybersecurity, and then there was about IoT, and the last one, it was about Cisco Packet Tracer. So I am not sure whether all the courses offered by NetAcad are free, but those 5 courses were free, so I enrolled in them, and from 2 of them I have earned a certificate. If to be precise, it wasn't a certification; it was a certificate. And the next one is Udemy. So not all courses you will find here for free, but there are some teachers that offer promo codes for most of the students to enroll in their courses. So you can avail those coupon codes to make courses free by going on to Quora, and there are some spaces that would offer you some coupon codes for Udemy that would allow you to enroll on those courses for free, and later you can earn certificates too after completing the course. And the next one is edx.org, that allows you to learn from top class universities similar to Coursera, but contrary to that, it is a non-profit organization, so you might consider to donate them. And it covers engineering, humanities meaning social sciences, and they offer courses from MIT and the universities that they have listed on their website. And the next one is MIT OCW, or MIT OpenCourse. This is OpenCourse by Massachusetts Institute of Technology, and they have recently started a podcast, they say. So what you can do is either search on the search bar for specific course materials from the website ocw.mit.edu. You can avail the course materials you can avail. For example, the assignments the teacher gave, and the examination that students took, and the solutions probably. Here would be the written materials. If you are a teacher, you can use their written materials because it is under the license CCSA, so you must give attributions and then you can use it. Or you can head over to their YouTube channel and avail video tutorials, because their videos are available. If you want to avail those video lessons are available on their YouTube channel, and the written resources or the text resources are available on their website. And the next one is NPTEL. So if you are an Indian engineering student, it is a high probability that you might have heard about NPTEL, and there is their website nptl.ac.in. On going to their website, you can earn certifications. So you will first have to enroll to a course and then complete the course, and there later would be an examination for which you will have to pay a fee to undertake that examination. And if you pass that examination, you will get a certificate, much similar to Coursera. But if you want to expand your knowledge, there is no need of certificate, because certificates can be forged, knowledge can't be. So you can head over to the YouTube channel to access those learning resources that they have uploaded. But I must say one thing, most of the professors are boring. That is a personal experience. And the next one is Saylor. This one is also a non-profit organization. So it mostly offered, I had used it 4 or 5 years back, so as far as I remember, that there were text resources. So they will resource to some other websites, and then you will complete, and there would be an exam you will undertake, and then you will get a certificate. So it is an awesome website to learn new things. And it also offers some it says it offers credit transfer program. So what you can do is first complete a course, and if you earn certificate, you can use those credits to apply to the colleges as well, if colleges and Saylor.org have a tie-up. So that's it for this video.